welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video in my spring cleaning series. And I am dedicating an entire video to my fridge and freezer because it needs desperate love and attention. Right now it's super like disorganized because I just went to BJ's and I have to like put things into containers and all of that. But I will show you the mess, and it just needs to be cleaned out. Like I just opened the door and I can see a bunch of crumbs, and it looks like some ketchup or some jelly or something that's hardened in the bottom. And I want to go through everything. Okay, look at it, there's like butter. Gross. I want to, actually the shelf up here is not too bad, but I just want to go through everything, take everything out, wash everything, take the drawers out, take everything, reorganize it, and like a deep clean the fridge. And I don't know about you guys, but this freezer tends to just hold stuff that I'm like, I have the best intentions of using, but I never end up using. So there's like some gross popsicles down the bottom here that are like half melted. The crumbs are insane and it's just gross. So we are going to take everything out of both the fridge and the freezer. Look at all that. I don't even know, maybe because I keep breadcrumbs in here. I don't know how that got like that, but we are going to take care of all of this and get this clean and organized and this clean and organized.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words. No. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love. for a ride. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love.
All right, and I am finally done, and I have the crazy hair to show for it. It wasn't too bad. I cleaned the fridge. I mean, I clean it out. I don't take everything out like I did now. Probably nearly enough, but we have cleaned the outside. It is all shiny. If you guys have a water filter system, check for refills and make sure you have a refill. See if it's getting low. We always have an extra one on hand because we drink tons of water, but we have organized everything. I no longer have, there was so much stuff in our freezer that was like, I had the best of intentions, like old bananas, old fruit of like making smoothies, doing whatever, and it's gross. As you saw, the bananas were like, ugh. So all of that, trashed it. But other than that, I didn't have too much to throw away. So we just have our ice packs for the kids' lunches. There's nothing up here, which is nice. We just have like some breakfast stuff. These are breakfast sandwiches, some waffles, some pretzels, and ice cream. And down here we have some meat, hot dogs, bacon, hamburgers, and I believe there is, where was it? Maybe not. I thought there was something else up here, but that is that. Then we just have our meatballs in this drawer. They fit perfectly in there. And then we have all of our like crispy chicken, chicken nuggets, chicken strips, all that good stuff. And then down here is all veggies. And again, some breakfast stuff. And then down here we just have popsicles. There's fudge pops and regular popsicles. I just combined the bags. Here is our homemade Uncrustables, and there is a regular Uncrustable in there as well, and then some leftover ice cream. And then in this one we just have some of those little like boo-boo buddies, like when the kids get hurt, and then our reusable ice cubes. And that's it. And the fridge, you saw as well, is now all clean. Everything is, oh, never got that butter. What is wrong with me? I cleaned this shelf too. There we go. This shelf was nothing really to even do. I did wipe down a little bit, but clearly not good enough because I totally missed the butter. Get up there too. So I went through all of the condiments. There was only, I think, like one thing that had just expired this month, actually, like a couple of days ago. So that was the only thing I needed to throw out. We have a few more drinks down there, some puddings, and then there's just our fruits, veggies. I put our lunch meat in this little container just to get it out of here because I put the kids' yogurts in there instead of in one of those other containers up here. I thought we would just maybe work a little bit better. We have all our fresh cut up fruit, and then this is all like our leftovers, and I meal prepped yesterday. So there's some enchiladas, there's some pasta salad back there, there's some leftover mac and cheese, and a few things that we need to use up tonight for dinner, eggs, drinks, and then yogurts and some more condiments. So that is it. Another project. You could totally do this with like your entire kitchen, but it's a lot of work. And if you're like me and use rags, I used, I think, 6 rags just to clean the fridge. And remember to clean the vent underneath your fridge because that was pretty gross. So, and if your fridge is like mine, it's on, most fridges are like on both sides like of the wall and of the molding here, when you open the fridge, there was tons of like dust, like not in the freezer, but like in the corner from where it opens. So I got all that and cleaned that as well. So another project off of my to-do list. This was a big one because you just, you're going through everything. You're not just like taking it all out and organizing it. You have to like go through, you gotta check dates, you gotta clean bottles if they're sticky and all that good stuff. So this is a good place to start, especially your fridge for your spring cleaning. So here is another good motivating spring clean video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed. I'll have the playlist of the spring cleaning linked below so you can put it on and get all of the spring cleaning motivation, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.